That's why we created the most secure digital wallet of tomorrow, right now. Introducing ChainK, a one-click, off-network, physical storage unit of your digital assets and mnemonic words for the highest level of personal access transaction information storage. ChainK is a stylish, portable digital wallet access key complete with a strong anti-theft chain, so you can carry ChainK with you at all times. With a protective, rotating Type-C interface that is easy to use. Simply insert ChainK into your device. Click Create Wallet, name your new wallet, set the password, currency type, and your mnemonic phrase, and your wallet key is complete. It features an 8-bit decentralized wallet operation display. Plus, it's available on both Android and iOS. Import existing wallets with digital assets, or use ChainK to back up cold and hot storage all in one tiny, trendy device. So, you can keep your private information stored where you are exposed to cyber theft, or you can ChainK.
Meet Solo, the original open source FIDO2 security key. I know, it looks like a flash drive, but it isn't. Solo protects your online account from unauthorized access by providing the most secure login method. Every time you log in, there's a risk that your password can get stolen. And if the site asks you to log in unexpectedly, you might be getting phished. And the risk is even higher if you're in an unsafe location, like at school, airport or transit station, and even your local coffee shop. And it's as easy as plugging it into your laptop. It's incredibly easy to use and consistent across all sites. Solo uses NFC technology. That's a fancy way of saying you can tap it on your phone. We rebuilt the NFC hardware from the ground up, delivering superior NFC performance. And Solo comes with either a USB-A or a USB-C plug. And yes, they're both reversible and even water resistant. And the best part of this is that Solo is open source hardware and firmware. Think about it. With a small investment, you or your business can eliminate 90% of the threat that leads to cyber attacks simply by deploying a FIDO2 hardware key. Meet Solo.
Introducing SmartPad, the world's first 3-in-1 4K smart display. Easy to handle and far more versatile than you can imagine. SmartPad is not just a stylish Android tablet PC, but also a portable 4K monitor or even a smart touch TV. It's your helpful multifunctional companion in any situation. Use it as a second screen for your phone or computer, connect to your gaming consoles, or just use it as a normal Android tablet. It combines all your needs into one device, offering you unlimited possibilities. SmartPad is slim, lightweight, and portable, perfect when you are working on the go. HDMI, Type-C, and USB 2.0. SmartPad offers all the connections you need to connect to other devices and also supports Wi-Fi mirror projection. With a built-in battery, an ultra-wide 14-inch screen, a specially designed stand, and many other features, SmartPad is the all-in-one solution to make your modern life and work style more convenient and productive. So please support us and get your SmartPad now.
All I want to do is watch some shows without having to balance my tablet on my lap. If only there was something more comfortable.
So why not try a hands-free experience and relax with Simplific?
What? How?
What you're looking at is the Simplific tablet holder with a built-in charging unit. There are a lot of tablet holders, clamps, grips, but none as versatile as Simplific. Unlike other tablet holders that require flat surfaces, Simplific can be mounted on the side of any furniture. Easy to set up, easy to adjust, and easy to use. It's simple to mount and take off. Just use the quick button release to grab your tablet and transfer it to the next holder. You can set up Simplific with the magnet attachment for your tablet, phone, or smaller devices and adjust to any angle that works best for you. Simplific is a universal ergonomic extension arm with long flexible joints that have vertical and horizontal hinges to allow 180 or 360-degree rotations, letting you use your device however and wherever you want. Now you can make those oat milk lattes, crush that 30-day meal prep challenge, and catch up with your favorite shows all at the same time.
That's awesome. There's only so many hours in the day. I'm all here for the multitasking. I really love that it works in the office too.
You can also use the clip-on attachment to set up your tablet. Simplific can fit snugly to the side of your desk, and its premium build will keep your tablet stable and secure. Oh, can't forget that it even comes with a built-in USB charger. Keep Simplific in the office as a second monitor for work or for illustrating, and to help you keep yourself on task. Or not.
Just a little motivation.
Help us bring Simplific to your home.
You know what you need to do, right?
Благодаря. Hi Kickstarter, my name is Jeff Hunt. I'm the founder of Scout.
Why should you join Scout? To join a new frontier in search. Most search engines today make money off ads, and this creates a privacy disaster. At Scout, your data will never be our business.
So initially Scout started at a makerspace that I run. It's I started it for kids, and we teach kids coding and other things, 3D printing, young engineering projects. And one of the projects that I started to think about was search for kids, and that's kind of how it got started, trying to make a better search engine for kids. But then we sort of continued on from there, and I have a background in search. I used to work for Google.
Who's Scout for? Scout's for people looking for a serious relationship with their search engine, and even for those who never thought much about it.
The nature of it is that we're trying to build a next generation search engine, and to build a search engine that is organic results, that allows users to curate the index, which is the list of results you get when you search for something, and to move toward an open source search engine that would be owned by the public eventually.
We're raising money on Kickstarter to move our project from the garage to the cloud. We want to recruit our first users from a crowdfunding platform like Kickstarter because it's a place for dreamers like us. If you're a believer in a better web and a better relationship between search and users, then back us.
There's a ton of work to do, and so I guess I felt like maybe I should be the one who should start to try to do that, or at least get people excited about it. So that's the nature of Scout.
We're obsessed with information fairness. And hey, don't forget the troll and bot crushing power of being on a network that only has authenticated users. Well, we at Scout ensure these are human results, not bots or AI. All of us together are the keepers of knowledge. Think of this as Search 2.0, a reset for those who care. Join Scout and help us launch this mission. And look back one day with pride that you were an early backer. What number Scout will you be?
So here's an analogy for you about search and free services. Pretend that you're on a bus, and the bus right now, everybody's on this bus, it's going this way. And there's no talk of money, and it all seems wonderful. But don't be surprised if when you get off the bus, they've gone through your luggage. There is something going on there. Our bus is going this way. Our bus charges a fee. Our bus is honest. Our bus is a paid for service without any funny business. So get on our bus.
Palm V Company presents Smart Mat that simplifies your life and saves your precious time. The Smart Mat creates comfort and organizes the desk in a way that allows consumers to be at their top energy level. The philosophy of Palm V is to let consumers enjoy the present, to rejoice and immerse oneself in the moment by simplifying complex things. Bring a little change in your life and stay organized with Palm V.
If you work or study extensively using video conference, you are certainly not unfamiliar with such scenes.
So Lee, can you give me a deadline by which you will deliver the project to completion?
We will definitely finish by this month. For sure. Gee, how do we tell him that we're not going to finish this quarter?
OneMute available starting August 2021, after the crowdfunding campaign finish. Visit us at onemute.org.